You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to tag someone on X, formerly known as Twitter. To tag someone in a post, start composing a new post by tapping the plus icon or the post button. Type the @ symbol followed immediately by the username of the person you want to tag. As you type, a list of matching usernames will appear. Tap the correct username from the list to select it. The username will now be highlighted in blue in your post, indicating a successful tag. You can tag multiple people in a single post by repeating the process. When you publish the post, the tagged users will receive a notification that they were mentioned. You can also tag someone. In a reply to an existing post, simply tap the reply arrow, type @ and their username, and then send your reply. To tag someone in a quote post, click the retweet button, select quote, and then include the @ mention in your comment. Tagging is a great way to start conversations and give credit. Remember, usernames are case sensitive, so make sure you spell them correctly. The tagged person must have a public account or be someone you follow if their account is private for the tag to work effectively. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.